Hi, my name is Mark Everett, and in my previous blog, I introduced the viewers to the Block Factory package and did a brief demonstration of the WC2 block, which you see on the screen. What I'd like to do is show you the different categories that are included as part of the cabinet block section of the Block Factory, and they are as follows: base cabinets with drawers, base cabinets open, base cabinets sink units, base cabinet, these are standard cabinets and some support legs, face frame style cabinets, wall cabinets, and tall cabinets. Now, what I'd like to do is talk a little bit about what some of the settings that you can create within this particular block to set it up for standardized cabinets or for whatever increment size that you want to. So by picking on it, right clicking, and open up the block editor, I pick on this parameter here and go to my properties palette here, and everything about that parameter is listed here. What I want to concentrate on is the value set. Now, in this value set here, I have it set to list here. You can set it as none, increment, or list. As a list, I can put in here all the different size cabinets that I want that particular distance parameter to snap to, and by setting it that way and saving, I can stretch the cabinet to 24, 30, 33, and so on, whatever size that I put in there. Now, let's just say I get rid of all these in here, delete those, take it back to 24, and I hit increment. Now, by putting increment in here, this cabinet is already set up to 24 inches at a scale. So if I go to this properties, I hit increment, put in, say 3 inches. I want this cabinet to stretch every 3-inch increment, and I want to put a minimum size of 24 and a maximum size of 42. What that will allow me to do is stretch it within 3-inch increments, no smaller than 24, but no larger than 42. And again, you can set that up any way you want to. The last thing I can do is select none, and I can set up a minimum maximum here, or I can just leave these at 0 or none and save and exit out. And what that allows me to do simply is put any dimension that I want to in here. I can put 24 and 375, and that's 24.375, and that's what the size will be. So that's what, by leaving it as none, it allows me to put any dimension in there. Now, I was going to try to, in this demonstration, to try to describe to you how to change the pull by adding to the pulls, because as I've said in my previous demonstration, there are multiple different pull styles saved within here, which are included as part of this block. So once you update that block within this block, it will show that for all the cabinets that are wall cabinets in this particular. There's no way I can show you that in this brief demonstration, so what I'm going to do is do a separate video just to describe that particular use of changing the pull and adding to it. So thank you very much.